Here's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The M-Class has been reborn as the GLE with updated performance, amazing features, and incredible safety. With its reshaped grille, larger intakes on the front bumper, and sculpted fenders, this GLE garners instant respect. 5 adults will ride comfortably with ample cargo space enhanced by a power liftgate. From a website or app on your phone, Embrace connects you to your SUV, and dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth, and heated seats help make the ride comfortable and fun. And while the ride is quiet on the inside, this GLE is ready to tackle whatever is happening on the outside with crosswind assist, collision prevention assist plus, and attention assist. Make the drive one you wish would never end. Come and test drive this GLE today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,